Welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name's Andrew.
Today we're in Scratching in my account, Kid That Code 123, and this project I remixed called Pokemon Defense Game. So let's see.
So we have HP and we can buy Pokemon.
These are free starter Pokemon. So I'm gonna just get Squirtle because it's easy.
Okay, wave 1.
Trubbish.
The Squirtle needs to defeat those Pokemon before they get to the end of the path.
I guess it's not
They're
so
out
good.
of reach.
I have 20 HP, so let's see what I changed. So it was usually just like these enemies and the towers, just circles, and I changed it to Pokemon. So first
we have Trubbish.
The easy one, then the fast one
Is Zubat.
It's very
or
fast,
Golbat.
but it's with the Bulbasaur you can defeat it very fast. And the strong one,
Which is a Jynx.
Jynx are slow but strong. And
They have a lot of health.
Yeah, deterrent, which
is the gun.
Yeah. Or you
That,
should call Pokemons.
That shoot at the target.
This is Squirtle, which is the basic, so it's only shoot one.
Water. It's like water gun.
Like one attack. Then the double, which is Bulbasaur, shoots
Razor Leaf.
So it's like 1, then 2. So it's better than Bulbasaur. And the best of all, the strongest is Charmander. So its first will charge. So its attack is very strong, but needs charge. So it will take time. Then it will be charged. Then to launch the attack, it's over here. It was usually a laser. So I just made the same image, but stretch it. And over here is where you buy it, right here when you press this.
The shop.
Yeah. And then, over here I changed its name. Squirtle, which is 50 because it's not so good. Bulbasaur, 100. And Charmander, 150. And that's all I changed, so let's play.
Okay, so Kalia's gonna go first.
I'm gonna buy
a
Bulbasaur.
Charmander is kind of cheap.
In here.
Okay.
So I have $50 left. So I can at least buy one more Squirtle.
Only one Trubbish one here.
80.
Okay, we have $80. Let's do it.
Oh, there's Zubats now.
Zubats are good.
No. Oh, one attack of a Squirt. It's like a Trubbish or more health than the Zubats.
Yeah.
But slower. Oh, no, I can't buy Charmander yet. Oh, no. The Jynx are so hard to defeat with...
Oh, there are Zubats hiding.
Nah. Oh, no. Is Squirtle going to defeat these all? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I really don't. No. Okay, Andrew's turn.
We still don't have enough. Oh, we have enough.
For Charmander, which Andrew calls its OP, tapped and yeah. You can't even attack. Hey, you're just wasting your money.
See, you can't.
But it's so little. He says it's cheap. See, now we have 19.
It's just the same way.
No.
So many Jynx and Trubbish.
This is another wave 5.
See, Charmander can do a lot.
But now poor Squirtle has to do it all by himself. Is it herself? I don't know.
Itself. And that one Jynx escape. Get Bulbasaur to finish here.
To help out with his poor friend. Okay,
now there are lots of Zubats.
Zubats are easy to defeat. For the Squirtle, only 2, then you're
now
done.
There's a lot of Trubbish and 3 Jynx.
So the Squirtles are good for the Zubats. The Bulbasaur is good for the Trubbish, and Charmander is good for Jynx.
Okay. Now there are a lot of Zubats. There's every single one of them. There's a lot. The Zubats are behind the Jynx.
Okay, next wave 8 is my turn. Oh no, there's a lot of Jynx.
Boop.
Okay, well, I think it's okay. $99.
No, don't buy another one. Buy a Squirtle.
Seriously, a Squirtle?
At the middle.
Here?
The middle, no, here.
Here?
Yeah, that should. Okay.
Every time you press to go, the Charmander always lights up. The Charmander is stuck in the corner. Oh, the Trubbish is...
Okay, there's a lot of Jynx.
The Jynxes are low health, and die.
Okay.
We're gonna buy an OP one.
No, put it on the edges of the screen.
No.
Yes, here.
Okay.
You can't see his face.
When poor Charmander. Andrew hates it because it's so OP. But Andrew likes Charizard because he says it's so OP. But he doesn't like Charmander in this game because
its attack is very long.
So he says it's like cheating.
Wave 10.
I went to wave 20, but it's so hard with a lot of Charmander, so I could defeat it.
Wow, so many Zubats.
Oh, I tell you.
And they're
I
so.
tell you.
They
I
all
don't know.
Oh,
We now only have 10 health on the wave 10.
Zubat. I think Zubat are the most dangerous because they're very fast.
Well, yeah. Well, these.
I think the last Jynx will go in.
You are correct. No, we only have.
Let's buy
We need to buy
a Bulbasaur.
it.
It's
Okay.
on the road. Okay. We're gonna do one more wave, okay?
Oh no, the Trubbish, the Trubbish.
There's Trubbish and Zubats. And now there's Jynx.
Oh no, please, no. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh!
Went in because they had a lot of health. The Pokemon in the last of the line, they can get in because they get less attack because the Pokemon attack the most from weight. Okay. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.